Minister Narendra Modi addressed a public rally in Namrup, Dibrugarh on Sunday. He performed the Bhumi Pujan for the new brownfield ammonia urea project of Assam Valley Fertilizer and Chemical Company Limited within the premises of Brahmaputra Valley Fertilizer Corporation Limited. The 10,601 crore rupee project with 12.7 lakh metric tons annual urea capacity aims to boost fertilizer self-reliance, support northeast farmers, create jobs and drive regional industrial growth. Prime Minister also inaugurated the new terminal building of Lokapriya Gopinath Bordolai International Airport in Guwahati, marking a transformative milestone in Assam's connectivity, economic expansion and global engagement. Before the inauguration, Prime Minister Modi also took a first-hand look of the model of the urea plant. Addressing a rally in Namrup, Prime Minister Modi emphasized the pivotal role of farmers in building developed India. He said the government prioritizes farmers' welfare through various schemes, ensuring uninterrupted fertilizer supply via the new urea project.
विकसित भारत के निर्माण में देश के किसानों की, यहां के अन्नदाताओं की बहुत बड़ी भूमिका है। इसलिए हमारी सरकार किसानों के हितों को सर्वोपरि रखते हुए दिन रात काम कर रही है। यहां आप सभी को किसान हितैषी योजनाओं का लाभ दिया जा रहा है। कृषि कल्याण की योजनाओं के बीच ये भी जरूरी है कि हमारे किसानों को खाद की निरंतर सप्लाई मिलती रहे। आने वाले समय में ये यूरिया कारखाना ये सुनिश्चित करेगा। इस फर्टिलाइजर प्रोजेक्ट पर करीब 11,000 करोड़ रुपए खर्च किए जाएंगे। यहां हर साल 12 लाख मैट्रिक टन से ज्यादा खाद बनेगी। जब उत्पादन यही होगा तो सप्लाई तेज होगी।
Earlier, Prime Minister Modi paid homage to martyrs of the Assam agitation and anti-foreigners movement at the Swahid Samarak Kshetra in the northeastern city of Guwahati in Assam. The memorial was inaugurated earlier this month. There is a lamp which always remains lit in memory of the 860 martyrs of the 6-year-long movement that ended in 1985 to free the state from illegal migrants. Accompanied by Assam's Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma and others, Prime Minister Modi also visited the Martyrs Gallery, where the busts of those martyred during the agitation have been placed. The Prime Minister garlanded the statue of Khargayeshwar Talukdar, the first martyr of the movement.